Hey guys, just continuing the backtesting journey of becoming a profitable trader and just refining my edge. Obviously, I guess you don't have to do 2 years. I'm doing 2 years because not only does it give me a lot of clarity into what my trading plan is and how to continue maintaining my profitability, but it helps train your brain to see the patterns. So I'll keep going. I think not sure what happened there. Oh, we're on the 5 minute. Hang on, we'll go to 15. What date are we? 13th of May. Move drawings. Alright, let's refresh our analysis. This is our 4-hour zone. Because price at any point can start wanting to swing back. Just keep an eye out for any bullish price action. At the moment we're extremely bearish. Next session. Okay. Price has mitigated that zone. And then price has mitigated this zone. And then pop down. Time is this? I don't trade at 5 o'clock on the dot anymore. I know going through my backtesting every time it was like spot on 5 p.m. it was a loss. So now I don't trade spot on 5 p.m. anymore. Okay, fake break. Nothing yet. Okay, that's a fake break. Now we're watching for it to break the slow. No. Okay, next session. This is our zone. Sweet, one zone for me to look at doing a trade. Might actually look at placing a trade here. No. This is pumping. Next. This is one zone I'm looking to trade from. And this is one zone I'm looking to trade from. Okay, it's 9 p.m. I can't place a trade next. This just looks messy. I don't even want to play with this. Probably look for a buy within here. Next. I love this price action. It's just draining. Alright, so we've got this zone actually held. And then probably look for something like this. So this zone here. What time was it? 5 p.m. No, I don't take trades at 5 p.m. anymore. Bang. No luck. Just smashed our zones, didn't respect them. Now we go 15 minute. Not looking too promising at this point. Now I'm more looking for buys. Nothing. Look, it hit our zone at about 10 o'clock, which isn't within London session time. And it did react, but yeah. Never trade outside of my zone again. Okay, this is like liquidity. It looks like a tradable zone here, but there's liquidity below it, so it's less probable. Or something like this is probably a higher probability. Oh, it's like kind of tapped into my zone. Do we have a fake break liquidation? No, we do not. This is a low. This is the most recent little low there. No. This is the most recent one that needs to break to create a fake break. Okay, let's create a fake break. And then pumped. Now I'd imagine that our zone would be something like this. Yeah. No, nothing there. Next. But this is beautiful. That's what I like to see. So I'd say that this zone here would be like highest probability. This would be liquidity sitting there, but I'd still take a buy from here. Alright, that is 23.45 next. So that zone's failed, so now I'm looking for sells. Probably at this zone here. I'll now consider this the most recent little up and then down zone, so probably something like the Stoney. And then not really. Okay, didn't really respect our zones. To me, so looking at this current structure, I see that. This is our, like, the range. The range is now broken, so I'm now bearish. So looking at these zones, I'm not going to buy them. I'm going to look to sell. Unless, of course, I see some, like, decent breaking up. But I'm not really seeing anything here I really want to sell on. Like, really. Next session. For me, this looks like that. This looks like that. This looks like that. And then now I'm kind of bearish, right? As it's broken this low here. So where would I look to sell? Like something like here. And it just bursted through it anyway. So now I'm looking for buys. But now you can, like, overall there's just sideways price action. But I'm trying my best to trade it. Okay, that's 8 PM, 9 PM, alright, that's done, that session. Normally when prices pump like this, I normally look for the most recent little up and then down. And then start looking for unmitigated zones. So there's this. And then there's this. There is also this. This is exactly 5 PM. I don't trade at 5 PM. I used to, but then I realized with my back testing and stuff like that, I kept losing. Okay, it's hit our zone. Let's just think about entering this trade, right? So we have, this is our little range. It's below the 50% of our little range. On the 5 minute, we have a fake break liquidation. Yes, we do, right here for me. So now we are looking to buy. 10.5, so that's 11 pips. Alright, sweet. So let's just look at why we lost this trade. I'm not really seeing a reason. There was decent enough reaction. It's during London. It was just unlucky. There was the way my trading strategy works is there's like order blocks, right? And then there's orders sitting at those blocks. And a lot of the times when you choose a good zone, it'll react off that block and continue up. But it just was unlucky that it just at this time it just didn't. So it's just a loss. So go 27th of May. Uh, 1800. And it can be very frustrating too because you might be following a strategy to the absolute T and then like this, like it seems like we're probably at this is a phase A2 trade. Go to next. Yeah, that's lucky. I just had another zone here that it reacted off of, but this one down here. But it was off a different range than what I was predicting anyway. This is my next little range. Price is hitting our zone. Now this is the question, do we take the trade? No, we don't, because we don't see a fake break liquidation. Okay, well that was definitely a fake break liquidation. Where's the next? I guess this is oh, okay. I guess that's a level 2 actually. So I guess when price did that, I should be in this trade right now at about there. If I was to follow my trading strategy, I could do a buy stop, bang. I should be in this trade, and I should have a 0.5 pip stop loss, so 10.5. So I'll keep that on, leave that there, and just trust it. Just trust my strategy, even if it loses. Okay, looking good so far, but we don't know yet. Oh, thank God. So that's good. That is the 30th of May at 17:55. 30th of May, 17:55. That was a bit hairy there, and it was actually really good that I've got a 0.5 stop loss for that moment where it actually would have worked us out and we would have lost the trade. What type of trade is this? Phase A2 trade, yep. 10.5 was the 10 pip. And what was the stop loss buffer? 0.3. And then probably looking at in terms of how far did it run, we'll have to wait until next session to see how far it ran. Go next. Look at that. Hold up. We'll go 10.5. So that would be 3 to 1. Right. So, okay, so it did actually run the 3 to 1. It just went close and then went against us. Would have stopped us out break even if we ever went break in, which we don't. And then it went to the 3 to 1 up here. So it went a total of 36.2 pips. Okay, that makes me very happy. I thought that was going to be a losing month or like a break-even month, but then at the very end of it, we actually just pulled profit out of the market. Thank God. So this is next London session. This is the 31st of May. What I'm seeing here is a pretty good little range here. Be looking for a sell from here. What is the reasoning for selling from here? This zone here is now broken liquidity. It's also swept this high. So I'm happy to sell from there. Let's do it. Okay, there was no fake break liquidation, so I couldn't place the trade. Okay, it's broken liquidity. Now it's to break the high. No. Okay, no. It's 8 PM. And no. Okay, nothing. Next session. What's this? The 1st of June. Okay, so that's May, everyone. Appreciate you watching the video, and yeah, hopefully we can keep getting profit every month. Thank you.